Hello, my friends. How are you? I'm Della, a designer and digital marketer, and I want to teach you a very interesting and practical but simple trick in this short course. You have probably encountered typed and printed pages that you want to convert to a Word file so that you can use them elsewhere or edit. Or sometimes we need to convert PDF files that are not copyable into Word files. I want to teach you a simple trick in this video so that you can easily convert these to Word files. For example, this paper page that I took a picture of and wrote a few lines on is actually a summary of an article from an open access journal. Or this PDF, which is also a summary of an article from my own articles. We can convert these types of files to Word. We can easily select the text we want, press Ctrl C, and then in Microsoft Word press Ctrl V. But this method doesn't always work. Sometimes the text may be jumbled or copied incompletely from the PDF, or the PDF may be locked or uncopyable. We can also convert these types of files to Word. What should we do? First of all, we need a Google account. Once you have logged into your Google account or created one, you need to log into Google Drive. After logging into Google Drive, you need to select the files you want. Drag them into the Google Drive page and wait for them to upload to Google Drive. As you can see, the files have been uploaded to Google Drive. Click on these three dots, the More Actions menu, and click on Open With. Then click on Google Docs and wait a few moments for it to convert them to text files for us. As you can see, this file has been converted to a text file and we can easily copy and paste it into Microsoft Word. Of course, Google Docs itself is a web-based application for creating and editing text files, similar to Microsoft Word, which you can also use from within Google Docs. Now you can repeat the same process for another file. Open with Google Docs, and as you can see, this PDF file has also been converted to an editable text file. If you are interested in getting familiar with Google Docs and learning how to use it, be sure to participate in my Google Docs training course. As you can see, 2 more files have been added to my Google Drive, which are exactly the same Google Docs files that have been added here. And they will be available in your Google Drive forever, as long as you don't delete them and you can use them whenever you want. Well, in this short tutorial, you have learned how to quickly and easily convert non-editable text files that are in the form of images or PDFs to editable files just like that. If you want to convert any other types of files to editable text files, whether they are on your laptop or mobile phone, take a screenshot or take a picture if it's a physical file. Upload it here and follow the same steps I mentioned to convert it to an editable text files. If you were satisfied with the course, like the video. Also, let me inform you that we have educational courses on Udemy, which I recommend you to participate in. To view other free tutorials and receive discount links for other courses, subscribe to our Udemy page and turn on the notification. I hope this short video tutorial will be helpful for you. Good luck!